Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So today I'm going to be taking a look at the Redmi 13x, and I've been using this device for a few days now with my SIM in it. It's got 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage on this one. This is actually the silk blue color. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to kind of share my initial thoughts on this one before I jump into the review process. Make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So yeah, I really like this device. It has a lot going for it. It just got a software update, so I want to get into that in just a second. But this device is really solid overall. The only thing it's really missing is NFC. It does have a premium processing chip, the Helio G91-Ultra for gaming. It's butter smooth. It doesn't have any lags. So far, it's been really clean. I do like the shortcuts on here. Long press to get to your Gemini right here. You also have double tap. Right now I have for my camera. I also have a double click for my flashlight. So it's just got a lot of cool features on here. The 108 megapixel camera on the back of it, which is really crazy. So yeah, it's been solid so far. So right now it's giving me an update, so I just want to go through the update. This device is running on Android 14 with HyperOS. So yeah, it's been really good, but they actually did give me the new version of the software. Hold on, let me get a better background real quick because you know, it was too dark. I kind of want to make it more lighter. This one kind of pops. So yeah, what I really like about this device is the fact that I'm able to actually get themes on this one. I'm also able to customize it really well. I really like the customization features on this. You know, obviously it's going to have a lot of storage. Let me go into settings so you could see the settings. I've been using this device all day long. You can see up here it does say update. So right here it does say HyperOS update. So if I click right here, this is actually the 256 gigabyte model, which is solid. And then right here, it does have HyperOS 2.0.60. And then it says what's new. So I'm going to read down the list. Pause the video if you want to check for yourself. But it does say right here that we have a live design philosophy. Unveils fresh, vibrant design across the whole system, making every interaction feel smooth and alive. All new artistic lock screen. Artistic lock screen brings new templates and effects inspired by classic designs, giving your device a cinematic look every time you unlock it. All new gallery with AI and reorganized collections. Gallery makes your memories even more vivid. All new weather, real-time weather engine 2.0 shows you the sky and the clouds just like in real life, and even lets you see rainbows and the Milky Way. All new calendar, the new desktop calendar adds a touch of ritual to your day. All new clock, updated clock uses a more redefined structure, the display structure for more elegant, easy to read look. Updated animations. A full-scale animation upgrade makes every interaction flow smoothly and feel stable and more responsive. So it's really already very clean. Like when I scroll down right here, you can see the animations on the notification window feel really clean. You get that little jump when you bring it down. Obviously, they're going to make that even more tailored. So if I click here, it brings me this, which is my volume controls. The other thing I like about this is when I touch the volume controls right here, I could click the silent mode. And let me see. So that if you pull this up, you can actually set a timer for your silent mode, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours, and 8 hours. You could also set a timer for your D&D, which is crazy. So they have both of those options right here inside of that. I really like that. So all you have to do is hit the 3 dots up here and it lets you customize that. But when you just tap it, it just comes down like this. So you have just your buttons right here that you could just tap. But if you want to actually customize it, it does have those animations, which is really nice. The multi-split, the recent apps window is very fast. I have about 4 gigabytes that I'm using right now of virtual RAM out of the, I think it's like 8 or 12. I can't remember which one. But the only thing this thing is missing really is NFC. And so a lot of people don't really even use that. So you have all your options here. So yeah, right now I'm running on 90 hertz refresh rate out of the 60 or the custom. And then so yeah, you get all your themes right here, and the themes you just get an unlimited amount of themes to choose from. So the interface of this phone is just very laid out. I really like HyperOS. Let's go ahead and install the new update because I'm looking forward to checking this out. Hit download. I'm gonna pause the video, so it's gonna seem like it took like 5 minutes or less. But I'm gonna just download this right now, and by the time I'm done downloading it, you should be able to pick up where you left off, and it's gonna seem like no time went by whatsoever. So I'm gonna pause the video so you can actually check out the new HyperOS 2. Alright guys, so that actually felt like a solid, I wanna say like 30 minutes to maybe even like going on 35 minutes. That took a really long time, but yeah, let's go ahead and check out this update right here from HyperOS 2. So yeah, I'm really kind of hyped. Let's hit reboot, and I'll get you up to speed in just a second on this one. All right, so it shows the Xiaomi logo with the powered by Android when it first comes up, and then it just starts to load. It does it again. So the Xiaomi logo. The case has been holding up pretty good too. I actually dropped it with the case on there, and it didn't crack, it didn't fall, it didn't do anything. I like that this phone does have a headphone jack too and an IR blaster, which is really crazy. So when I do my review, I'm definitely going to be using that a lot more for my TVs and all my electronics in my room. I think that's going to also make this device very good. So yeah, I'm actually using this as my secondary phone. So my main phone does have NFC, so I'll use the NFC on that and then use this one mainly for my entertainment purposes. All right, so now it says powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. So it's been about a minute right now. We're going on 2 minutes right now. So the phone is like basically powering back up. Once it loads up, I'll put my password in and everything like that, and we'll just go ahead and test it and see you know, how it's running with the new liquid UI, basically the new interface that they put on this. So yeah, I'm kind of hype. I definitely want to check it out, see how the animations have switched, the calendar, the widgets, the icons, the everything. They basically tailor it on here so to make it a little bit more refreshed. And I'm looking to get Android 15 on here too, because we're supposed to get 2 years of updates on this OS update. So I'm definitely looking forward to checking that out as well. But yeah, stay locked in with me. If you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still rocking with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. The screen just came right on. It's got my lock screen right here. It's got it's connecting to the internet now. Basically, my SIM card is in this phone right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my password. All right, so now it's unlocked, and it does say updated home screen layout. So the home screen layout has created update new dynamic algorithm. The rows and columns on the home screen have been adjusted to provide more flexible space and improve elements. Okay, so that's really solid. I can see that it's kind of more spread out. I kind of want to move another icon down here. So I have phone, messages, internet, and calculator. Let's put gallery down there, so it's more spread out. Yeah, I can see how they did that. It definitely looks way better now. Like the icons look a little bit more closer together. It does say system has been updated right here. So let's go ahead and check this out. This says HyperOS. Basically the system, it says right here, optimization, stability, system stability. Errors occurred in some cases. Updated the security patch to June. Increased system software attention. The system updates won't delete any of your data, but it's a good idea to back it up before updating, just in case. The software package, the software update package will be deleted once the update is complete, and you won't occupy storage on your phone. Okay, so that's kind of cool to know. And if you run into any issues, you can get help or share your feedback through the app. And then it has the app right there. So yeah, that's everything that basically this thing will include. So yeah, it feels way more, honestly, it feels a lot more smoother. I'm kind of glad I upgraded. It just flies now through window to window. This phone doesn't have you know, split screen window, which is something that sucks, but basically it's really good when it comes to customization. I guess they didn't want to weigh it down with the you know, split screen with the pop-up window, but it gives you everything: font, ringtones, home screen, layout. I took the screensaver off of this phone as soon as I, you know, put my SIM card in here, just so I could feel the screen. I like to feel the screen. I'm gonna go into settings real fast, see if there's any like changes in the settings layout, but honestly, let me drop down that so everything looks pretty familiar, and it feels really smooth too. Very smooth when I'm scrolling down. Let's go into the notification shade. I didn't notice anything different yet on here. Still has that nice animation. Feels pretty snappy and fluid. It does feel really clean. So yeah, for the most part, I'm very happy with this update. I'm definitely pretty happy with it. I like it a lot. I could still customize everything right here. Shake to fill the empty cells on the display. So this thing is tailored better for better performance, optimization, things like that. And I could see that the home screen layout, yeah, they definitely made it look a little bit better when it comes to like how it looks. Lock home screen set as default, so you get your transition effects. They also have let me see something. Transition effects. Okay, yeah, this is cool. I definitely like this. Let's do cascade, hit done. You could create folders when you touch a bunch of different icons. So if I touch Spotify, High Melody, what other music apps do I have on here? MusicTube, Audible. I think that's all my music apps. I didn't download Pandora yet. Add a folder. So now that's a folder. Let's name that music. Yeah, so this feels really clean. I like how it's feeling. This is nuts. Yeah, I really like this a lot. So yeah, it definitely does feel cleaner. I'm definitely happy I upgraded. Let's go into the software, check out what version we're rocking right now. Okay, so we are actually running Android 15 now. So you can see this device does have Android 15 running on it, which is, I'm really hyped. I definitely like this a lot. So we just got that upgrade to Android 15 on here. Really solid. Let me check out my security levels right now. As far as the storage on here, only 13 used from the system. And it's updating right now my other things. So you can see right here, video, images, and apps mostly, but I still have 7. Let me free up some space right here. Okay, so this is really solid. I'm really liking Android 15 on this phone. It feels way better than Android 14. I definitely would say that you should upgrade, but I'm gonna like test it out for a few days, come back with my final review. I just wanted to update this before I did the review on this phone. But wow, what a difference that an update makes on a phone. So I still have Android Auto, I still have all my settings on here. This phone definitely feels a lot cleaner with the new update. One-handed mode is on. Even the back gesture is way more cleaner. Like when I'm going back now, I used to miss I used to not be able to get it like every single time, but now every single time I'm hitting it, which is really good. So this is nuts. Full display for all apps. You can hide the indicator at the bottom, so if you don't want that indicator, I'm gonna hide that. Yeah, every single time I go back, it doesn't mistouch anymore. This is good. Yeah, definitely upgrade to the Android 15 or your Redmi 13X. If you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and you know, help beat the YouTube algorithm. But I'll hit you guys back. I'll check you later. Namaste.